Welcome back to this quick tutorial on how to share a digital form via SMS or email message. You'll find this to be a handy feature when dealing with clients and contractors that require copies of your documentation, or if you need to send your document out for review before it's complete. Before we begin, it's important to understand a couple of facts. 1. Sharing of digital forms and documents can only be done from the web app. SafeTap cannot currently send documents via text message. We are looking further into this in SafeTap version 2, which is currently in development. However, if you've started a document in SafeTap, you can save it, open it in the web app, and forward it from there. Let's do a quick demonstration. First, open your document in the web app. To share a document, we must first create a PDF. You can do that through the bottom menu. Tap the printer icon. This will generate a PDF of your document in the last state it was saved. The device will display a success message window and should automatically generate and open a PDF. Now we can share the PDF from the secondary menu. Please tap the secondary menu icon. For Apple, it's the arrow box. On Android, it's the three-dot menu. With the PDF open, tap the arrow box menu on Apple or the three-dot menu on Android. Here, select which communication method you would like to use, enter the pertinent contact information, and tap Send. It's just that easy. Depending on your device and operating system generation, the PDF might have saved to your downloads rather than opening automatically. If this is the case, locate the Downloads folder on your device, open it, and proceed to forward the document via text in the same way. Keep in mind sharing documents via text or email is usually reserved for sharing documents that are partially completed. These could include hazard assessments being submitted to clients throughout the day, or site inspections, etc. Once again, tapping your Submit button is the only way to submit and file finished documentation. Our system will then file and forward it for your supervision to review and sign off. This concludes our tutorial on how to share digital forms via SMS or email message. Feel free to review this tutorial again at any time.